Hey folks, it's Joe again. It's a super sunny and warm day in Colorado Springs, my hometown today, with one of my favorite cars. As anyone who follows me, you know I've probably sold more GT4s than any single Porsche model. I love them, absolutely love them. And this is a great one. This is a 2022 Gentian Blue PDK GT4. So it's 718 generation with a 4-liter motor. For those of you that know, the GT4 first came to the US in 2016, and the 981 generation disappeared for 17, 18, and 19, came back with a 4-liter motor in 2020. For the first time in 2020, they were available with the PDK. I often say there's no better car to learn how to go fast, quickly on the track than a PDK GT4. This car has not been tracked. There's no indication of track use. We know that the current owner has not tracked it. There's no indication by any of the wear on the sides or the backside of the car that it's been tracked. It's just really nice. No dings or dents to report. The current owner of the car bought it. The previous owner had a wrap on it, like a vinyl wrap, so it was pretty well protected, not as well as PPF. So there's a couple little, like right there, there's one little rock chip underneath the PPF. I think there's another here that that's either something on top of the PPF or a little touch-up spot that was underneath it. I can feel it with my fingernail though, that might come off, but very, very little. I think I saw a little on the bumper cover there, little rock chips there. Nothing big, nothing to worry about. This car is also going to come with 2 sets of wheels, both with excellent tires. Both Michelin tires. The others are Michelin Pilot Sport 4s. These are, I think, AS4s. Anyway, maybe 1,500 miles on these with, it looks like 23 date codes, maybe 1,000 miles on the others. Very low mileage on either set. This is a set of OZ wheels. The other set are the factory wheels. Oh, the previous owner of the car had done something silly and had painted the calipers. This owner painted them black. The paint job is not fantastic, so I would think about maybe taking those off and having those stripped and powder coated if that bothered you. If you're going to take the car to the track and just mess with it, who cares? But I wanted to point that out. Inside, and it does have tint. The PPF does come all the way up to here, PPF covering the mirrors and PPF on this rear quarter, and as it is important to wrap it around the leading edge of the air intakes. These do take a lot of abuse on these cars, whether it's the street or the track. Lightweight bucket seats, Bose stereo, sport chrono, and 16,679 miles. Really, really nice. The one knock that people have on these cars versus the 981 is they just don't sound the same. And that's true. Most of that is because Porsche put a particulate filter pipe on the car that was necessary for European regulations, not necessary here. So what most people do is they put an over axle pipe on. Well, guess what? It's due for oil based on time, not mileage by a long shot. This car has sole over axle pipes as well as sole mufflers. Now that could be a positive, that could be a negative depending on how you look at it, because they're pretty darn aggressive. So here we are in the car, air conditioning's on, it's at idle. It's pretty aggressive, it sounds really badass. If it's going to be a street car for somebody, in which case I'd probably get 18-way seats, I'd think about keeping the over axle pipes for sure, but maybe getting a set of factory exhaust. Maybe trade the sole mufflers with somebody for somebody that has a factory set of mufflers. But if there's a knock against this car, that's it. It sounds great, but it is just a little bit loud. If you have any questions, if you'd like to see the Carfax, if you'd like to see the build sheet, if you'd like to arrange to see the car in person or just to arrange to buy the car, give me a call. My number is 720-382-6167. And as always, I appreciate you watching.